こんにちは。I'm Misoshi Taniguchi. I would like to show you a video on Rwanda schools lectures today. We have been practicing Keiraku massage on the large bed from one side. This practice is for house visit massage. We cannot do a home visit massage with new coronavirus right now. But maybe we will be able to do that someday. So we have been practicing this. I taught only Mukesimana this time. She wishes she wants to live with her child. So she has to have a very good job. I will make a top-notch therapist. She has been practicing very hard every day. Of course, Keiraku massage. I think she will make dreams come true. So please check today's video. Okay, but wait, please. Ordinarily, after push, you will shiatsu, but now this technique only one side. So, okay, please watch our technique. I will show you. That time first, look. Okay. So Mukesimana first, bottom of palm, and then you do Shukon units on erector spine. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this time only
one side.
One side, yes. And then Mukesimana do push on the spine. And then Mukesimana will do shiatsu. This count is okay, but today we will change because today's Keiraku massage from the one side. So first, palm of bottom like this, erector spine, and then so today's I will tell you a new technique. From this side, you can do erector spine of this right side, like this. You can use right hand, left hand on the bed, right hand, like this. And then push on the spine. And then shiatsu. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, shall we try? from Shukon units on left side again.
Ugiye gukora shikanzineti. Kuri on which side? Left?
Okay, first right side, please.
Right side.
Right
Aho ngaho
side.
uri.
Yeah, you can use lights.
Ntabwo ari izo.
Shukon units.
Oya.
Agiye kubanza urebe banduru.
Umwegereye.
None se ko bigenza kugira ngo rukore. Kano kiburi yarabashira hasi.
No.
Nese urakoresha imoso?
First, right side. You can do right hand.
Koresha akaboko k'iburyo ukora ubwo hano.
Yes. And then
urwo ruhande rundi rero.
Yes. Good. Yes, good. Oh, good.
Oh.
Okay. Good dancer.
Oh, very nice.
And then good massage therapist.
Noneho ugahita ujya oya.
Yes.
Ibyo. Ntabwo se ukarambura icyo gitoki kiri ikiganza kiri hasi gihinamo ko
Okay, and shiatsu.
kandi bari kuri coding.
Okay, good. Yay, good. And continue.
Mu mugongo nyabo. Mugongo w'ikibuno.
Okay.
Nise si wahakora uko. Wakareka ya.
It's okay.
Wakora uko nkuko ukora mu nda. Turi gukora hano. Nyine ukahakoresha utu. Oya. Do.
Only one side, it's okay.
Koronga uruhande rumwe ntareka.
Yes.
Tari ibirenge bya Mariya bibamo ibintu by'imikara mwana. Inzoka. Carwatsi. Ese hawo bashyize hasi.
Yay! Okay. Good.